Hi guys! Welcome to my channel. And today, mag-start po ako ng 30 days vlogging challenge para sa aking YouTube channel. So, this is my first time na gumawa ng ganito. And then, samahan niyo ako na masustain at matapos. Dito, mag-share ako about my work from home journey. So, yun lahat ng mga na-experience ko na trials and challenges and also yung mga wins kung mayroong wins. And also, I will share about my current niche as a GHL. So, I will be sharing some basic fundamentals and use of Go High Level and also as a work from home ma'am and also sa lahat ng ginagawa ng isang work from home. So, samahan niyo ako na ma-fulfill ang 30 days challenge na to. So, yeah, yun lang. Hindi ko alam kung paano tatapusin to and this is the sample. Hindi ko talaga alam kung paano ko to sisimulan. No script, no edits, and yeah, lahat ay start from scratch. So, sana matapos ko and I hope and looking forward na makapagbigay ako sa inyo ng some inspirations and lessons. At the same time, makapag-earn din ako kung paano ko i-improve itong aking YouTube and with the help of my coach, Chad Godoy. And yeah, so yun lang. Please like and subscribe to my channel para magkaroon naman ako ng mga subscriber. And looking forward sa mga susunod kong videos. Salamat!